Today's mission is heatless curls like these. Now, if you've been here a while, you already know I did this video a couple years ago on my insanely long Rapunzel postpartum hair. Unfortunately, I had to cut my hair because my ends were so straggly and just looked bad. So, these are called bun makers, and this is all I have. I used to have way more, but I think a bunch of products spilled on them, so whoops. So a bun maker, it looks like this, and it does exactly what it says. It makes a bun. So what we're gonna do today is we are gonna take sections of hair, and we are simply wrapping it around like this. And I'm gonna kind of have like an off-center part. Now, there is no heat, okay? This is no heat November. I just made that up, but we can pretend. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of ghost oil in my hands. This is great for fine hair, thick hair, whatever hair you have. And we're just gonna put this all the way through. I like to start from about my ear and go all the way down to the ends. Don't do it up top because you're gonna look greasy. So how we're gonna divide and conquer these, I'm trying to decide. So I think we're gonna do 2 big ones on each side and then 1 small one on each side. We're just gonna have to make it work. So I think for the small one, I'm probably just gonna do like my bangs, right? Like this. Sure. All right, so I'm just gonna take a section of hair. This is kind of self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna take it, twist my wrist, wrap, twist my wrist, wrap, twist my wrist, wrap, twist my wrist, wrap, like that. Now you can see how we're kind of a little bit away from our heads. We're just gonna roll it in. And then I'm gonna take the ends and just secure them.
Like so.
So now we're just going to evenly split this section into 2 and do the same thing. So just twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. Now I'm not sleeping in these. I'm just gonna go about my day today and hope that works. Anyways, I remember sleeping in these years ago and it was not comfortable. As you can imagine, these are kind of like hard foam, so it doesn't like squish down with your head. So it's kind of bulky. Now this section is pretty big, so I'm a little worried how it's gonna look. We're just gonna cross our fingers. Twist up towards our head. Now if your hair is layered, this is gonna be a little tricky, guys. It's gonna be a little tricky.
5 minutes
All right,
later.
guys, this is what we look like. So we look a little crazy. As you can see, this would be really hard to sleep in. But let me do a little spinny spin. All right, so I'm gonna go about my day.
And cross my fingers that these turn out well.
So see you soon. We are back. It's been about, I don't know, 6 hours.
It's been 84 years.
So we're gonna take these out and cross our fingers they turned out good. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, why don't you just wrap your hair around a sock? Wouldn't you get the same results? I don't know, because I feel like this gives you a little bit different look than a sock because of the shape of these. That might be another video we might have to try out. So let's take these out. Here we go. Holy bounce. Look at that. Okay, next one. I'm feeling good. This is turning out really good. I love when videos turn out good. Now, the question is, obviously I need to I don't want to brush them, right? Or do I brush them? Let me find a brush and a comb. I think what's gonna work for this is like a wide comb, and I cannot find one anywhere, so 1 minute. I found it. I had to search everywhere for this dang thing, but I found it. I also found this gigantic hairspray by Tresemme. I was like, oh, this might come in handy. Extra hold compared to like a normal size can. Why is this so big? I think how we're gonna go about this is just kind of brush or comb through it. you're looking pretty Hollywood, especially right here. Girl. What do we do here? Just like this? I don't know. This front piece is maybe a little too curly, but this is my shortest piece of hair. Look how short that is. Oh, I always see people like, I don't know, go like that. I think what they do, which I'm scared to do, is they kind of like tease underneath, but I don't want to mess it up. Maybe I'll do it a little bit. And then they like do this. That's as much as I'm doing. No, I'm impressed, honestly. I'm telling you, okay. No, one piece. We have one piece that didn't make it. What do I do? Okay, I know I said these are heatless, but I'm gonna have to cheat and I'm gonna have to curl this because it just wouldn't fit the vibe. I guess I've never done a Hollywood wave before, so I'm just gonna wrap it and twist it. Wrap it and twist it. It's so small that I don't know if it's gonna give the Hollywood curl effect. Better than what it was. I feel like this would be cute if I like pulled this back and had like a barrette maybe. Like that. I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. I just see people do like this. And I don't know what that does. Stretches the curls out, I guess. That looks good, right? Look at the pattern. Like you would not get this if you just wrapped it around a sock. I would even maybe like just do it to the side. Have all my hair to the side and do like a cute barrette. These look too good. They really do. So I bought these off of Amazon many years ago. They have them on Temu for like literally nothing. They do have them way cheaper on like the Chinese sites like Temu, AliExpress, SHEIN. So I'll see what I can find. I'll link everything down below. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle in the comments below if you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.